Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to create Discord webhooks. Now, to get started, what you want to do is on Discord in one of your servers, you want to head over to the top and grab the drop down menu, then you want to head over to server settings. And from here, what you want to do is you want to head over to the integrations tab, and then you want to click create webhook. Now, as you can see, it automatically creates one for you, but you can just click new webhook and then it'll be able to provide you with a name that you can create. I'm just going to make a random thing, and then you can choose where the webhook will be connected to which channel. You can also choose an image here if you like. After you've done that, make sure to save changes, and then you want to click copy webhook URL. After you've done that, you want to head over to use either discohook.org or another website that has options to use webhooks. I just like to use this one. So what you want to do here is you just want to paste in your URL, and then you can choose what it's going to send. So I'm just going to type in hello, and you can also add an embedded image, a message. You can go over here. You can actually create images with the message, or if you just want to type something in, you can just go ahead and put something in the description, and then after that, you can click send. And then as you can see, it'll be sent to the Discord. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.